You've seen it. Cannot read properties of undefined. Optional chaining kills that error before it starts. When you access user.address.city, JavaScript evaluates each step. If address is null or undefined, accessing .city throws a type error. Every intermediate property in a deep chain is a potential crash point. The question mark dot operator short-circuits evaluation. The moment any step encounters null or undefined, the entire expression immediately returns undefined. No error. So user .address.city returns undefined safely if address is missing. Each question mark dot is an independent guard. The rest of the chain only runs if the left side has a value. 3 syntax forms. Question mark dot for property access. Question mark dot parentheses for method calls. The method only invokes if it exists. And question mark dot brackets for array indexing. All 3 short-circuit the same way. Before optional chaining, you'd write user & user.address & user.address.city, 3 redundant checks. Optional chaining collapses that to one clean expression. One crucial nuance. Optional chaining only short-circuits on null and undefined. Values like 0, false, or empty string pass through unchanged. Optional chaining short-circuits on null or undefined, returning undefined instead of crashing. Practice spotting nested access that could fail. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.